Do you have high water bill? Do you think you have a leak in your house? Sometimes you get all those really high water bill and you're not sure if it's a leak or is it just like a lot of usage because it's summer. Well, here's a way to find out and let's see how it goes. Firstly, every house outside of the house have a bit of a water meter. Normally it's covered by this black box, depending on the house, depending on the location. When you look inside of it, it looks a bit messy. You can find some digits here. So when the water runs through the pipe, that's where the water coming into the property. That's your main tap that you can close and open the tap. So what you like to do is go into the property and shut down all the water items. Make sure that the dishwasher is not working, toilets, taps, and everything. Just make sure everything is closed off and none of those items are open. Here's a way to test if the water meter is working properly. Just go there and open the tap and let's go outside and have a look. Then you want to go back here and look at this meter and look at the digits. If the digits are still keep turning around, that's mean there's a water leaking from somewhere. So we'll have a look at the gauge and we can see that the digits are running and water actually is going through the pipe, so that's okay. Now let's shut down the pipe again and see what happened. Yeah, make sure all the taps are closed. There's no leak in the toilet. The toilet looks okay, and no other place in the property have drips or leaks. But if the digits are fine and if they do not turn around, some of the new meters are digital, so you can actually watch the digital numbers. And if they do not turn around, it's mean that you do not have any leak. Yeah, and we can see that the digits are not moving and it's perfectly still. So there you go, a quick way to find out if you have a leak somewhere or it's just a high usage of water. Nice and simple. That'll save you $150 to call the plumber to check it out, and easy peasy. Take care, James from the Renovation team.